Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are doing well. This is TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. Please, if you are new here, consider subscribe, hit the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content. Thank you for joining me. In today's presentation, we'll be looking at question from Neco Junior Secondary, part 3. That's the theory part, 2023. This is mathematics. Okay, we have question A, 1A, question 1B, then question 2. This is the entire theory of Neco Junior Secondary 2023, and this is mathematics, and this is part 3. Let's look at how we can handle this. Question 1A, we are asked to simplify one whole number 1 over 2 times bracket open 2 over 3 minus 1 over 4 divided by 2 whole number 1 over 2. We are asked to simplify this. In order to simplify this, we have to use BODMAS. Okay? Let's write down the solution. That is solution to 1B. So let's write down our BODMAS because we need to use BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction in that order. So, but before we apply this BODMAS, let's change these mixed fractions that are here to improper fraction. Let's write down the question first. That's 1 whole number, a half times bracket open 2 over 3 minus 1 quarter divided by 2 and half. So this is the question. So let's change this to, this is mixed fraction. Let's change this to improper fraction. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. That will be 3 divided by 2 times bracket open 2 over 3 minus 1 over 4. We close the bracket. Divided by, we change this to improper fraction as well. That's 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. That will be 5 over 2. Then BODMAS means we have to start with the bracket, meaning we have to work with what we have inside the bracket here. So we have 2 over 3 minus 1 over 4. We have to find the LCM. That's we have to find the LCM of 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. We can do that here. 3, 4. We start with 2. This will be 3, 2. 2 again. 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. That will be 2 times 2 times 3, which is equals to 12. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Okay? So the LCM is 12 now. Let's put down the LCM here, 12. We now say 3 into 12. It means 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 2, 8. We write down the 8 here minus. We now say 4 into 12 is 3. 3 times 1, 3. Okay? So let's bring down this. We have 3 over 2 now times, we cannot say 8 times 3 is 5. That will be 5 divided by 2. And that's 5 divided by 12, rather, divided by 5 over 2. Okay? So this division, we can change it to multiplication. This will be 3 divided by 2 times 5 divided by 12 times, if we change this division to multiplication, our denominator, which is 2 here, will become our numerator. Our numerator here, which is 5, will become our denominator. So this is what we have. We have all multiplication in between them. So we can say 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. 3 here, 1. Meaning 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 into 12 means 12 divided by 3 is 4. 5 here, 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. We're left with 1 times 1 times 1 divided by 1 times 4 times 1. 1 times 1 times 1, of course, is 1. Divided by 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So the answer to the first one, which is 1A, rather, this should be 1A. The solution to 1A is 1 over 4. That is 1 quarter. Okay? So let's move to 1B. Solution to 1B now. The question reads, a piece of wood is 220 cm long. If 66 cm is cut away from the wood, what percentage of it remain. The length of the wood, let's say we have the length of the wood as this. Let's say the length is 200 cm, like this. Then we decided to cut out like this, to cut out 66 cm. So if we cut out 66 cm out of this, we'll be left with what? Meaning we have to say 220, sorry, this is 220. So 220 cm minus 66. That's how we can find the remaining after we cut out. To cut out 66 cm means it will be 220 minus 66 cm. So let's write it down here. 220 minus 66. Let's minus the 0 minus 6. Cannot we borrow 1? 10 minus 6. This will be 4. We're left with 1 here. 1 minus 6 cannot we borrow 1 from here. That will be 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. We're left with 1 here. So we have 154 cm. So when we cut out 66 cm from 220 cm, we'll be left with 154 cm. Okay, but that's not what we're looking for. We are asked to what percentage of it remains. So let's clean this 1A here. Let's clean the 1A here so that we can solve for this 1B. So what percentage now? It means to find the percentage of what remains now, it will be 154. When you remove 66 from 220, that will be 154 now, divided by the total length of the wood, which is 220 times 100%. We are asked to find the percentage of what remains. So this is over 1. So we can reduce this. 0 will divide this. 2 into 10 is 5. 2 into 22 is 11. We check again. Can 11 enter this? 11 into 15, it will enter 1. Remainder 4. Can 11 enter 4? Yes. So 11 here 1. 11 into 15, it will enter 1. Remainder 4. So that will be 44. 11 into 44 is 4. So we'll be left with 14 times 5%. So we multiply this. 5 times 4, 20, put 0, carry 2. Then 5 times 1, 5 plus 2, 7. That will be 70%. So what percentage of it remains? The percentage that remains is 70%. Is 70%. So this is the answer to 1B. Okay? So let's move to question number 2. And let's remove this space here to solve question number 2. Question number 2, let's read. The table below shows the ages of children in a particular orphanage home. We have the age, then we have the number of children. We have age 1, 10 children, age 2, 15 children, age 3, 21 children, age 4, 20 children, age 5, 16, age 6, 18. Use the information to find the mean. We are asked to find the mean here, the median, the mode, and the range of this distribution. Okay, let's write down the solution here. To find the mean, we need to tabulate this. Age now will be our x. Let's have it in tabular form like this. The age here, x, that is our age here now, which is, let it be x. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The frequency here now will be the number of children. We have f, that's 10, 15, 21, 20, 16, 18. This is our frequency. Okay? So next is to find f of x. Because to find mean, which is x bar now, will be summation fx divided by summation f. This is the formula we have to use to find the mean. So we need to find fx, then sum it, then get the summation of our frequency. Let me write down the summation of frequency here. I need to put this on the table here. So let's multiply this to get fx. To get fx means 10 times 1, 10, 15 times 2, 30, 21 times 3, That will be 63. 20 times 4, 80. 16 times 5. 5 times 6, that's 30. 0 carry 3. 5 times 1 plus 3, that's 80. Then 16 times 18, let me do it here. 6 times 8, 48. Put 8, carry 4. 6 times 1, 6 plus 4, 10. That's 108. Then we write down the summation here, summation x, summation fx here. We need to sum this. So we can either use our calculator to sum this, or we can sum it like that. Let's sum it and see. This is 40. 10 plus 30 is 40. This is 100 and this 40, that's 103, 183, 183, 183 plus 80. This is 3, this is 6 carry 1, that's 263 plus 108. We add this, that's this 11, 1 carry 1 plus 1, 6 now, that's 7, 3. That's 371. So summation fx is 371. Let's use our calculator to check, to verify. That will be 10 plus 30 plus 63 plus 80 plus 80 plus 108. The answer is correct. That's 371. So this is summation fx. Let's add our frequency together and see. 10 plus 15, that's 25. 25 plus 21, that will be 46. 46, that's 66. 66 plus 16. Let's write it down. 66 plus 16. This is 12, 2 carry 1. 7, that's 82. 82 plus 18. This is 10 carry 1. 9, that's 100. Our frequency is 100 here. So this is how our table is going to be. You have to show all these workings on your table. The summation of your frequency, which is 100, summation fx, which is 371. So we can easily find the mean now. Summation fx from the table is 371 divided by summation f, which is 100, divided by 100. And what does that mean? X bar now, which is the mean now, divide 371 by 100. Just shift this point. This 0, 1, this one is 0, 2, then this one you put point here. That will be 3.71. So this will be the mean. 3.71 will be the mean. So we are through with the first question. Let's move to the second question. The second question is the median. There are two ways we can find the median. First, the summation of your f here is an even number. So the median, if summation fx is even number, just divide summation fx by 2 positions will be the median. Position will be the median. What do I mean? Anytime summation f, if it is even number, it will be that summation f, which is 100 now, divided by 2 positions will be the median. So in this case, summation f is an even number because 100 is an even number. So it will be 100 divided by 2 positions. This will tell us the position of the median now. 100 divided by 2 is 50. The 50th position will be the median. What do you mean by 50th position? Go to your frequency, keep adding until you get exactly 50 or more than 50. So let's add and see. 10 plus 15, this is 25. It's now up to 50. 25 plus 21, that's 26. It's now up to 50. 46 now plus 20, that's 66. Yes, it's above 50, but it falls here. So this is where our median falls. So the median now will be the value of this frequency that's the value that is corresponding to this frequency here will be the median, which is 4. So the median here is 4. So the median now is equals to 4. This is another way of finding the median and the easiest way, because you can't say 1 appear 10, 2 appear 15, it will take time. So we have to use this method. When the summation of your frequency is even number, it will be summation frequency divided by 2 position. Will tell you which position is the median. If it is an odd number, it will be summation f plus 1 divided by 2 if it is an odd number. If the summation is odd, then you add 1. Okay? So let's move here, since we are through with this question, to solve the remaining parts. The remaining parts, the mode, that's number 3 now. Mode is the number that appear more often. Which number has the highest frequency here? Which number has the highest frequency? Of course, 3 appear 21. So 3 is the mode. So the mode is 3 because 3 appear 21 times. So 3 will be the mode of this distribution. Next, which is the last one now, the range. The range of value. Range means the highest value, or the difference between the highest value and the lowest value will be your range. The highest value now, highest value minus the lowest value will give you the range. So in this case, we'll use age. We have 1 as the lowest and we have 6 as the highest here. So the range now, it will be 6 minus 1, which is equals to 5. So the range of this distribution is 5. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues.